Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the EGR valve on Mazda 6 2.2 SkyActive diesel. The EGR valve on this car is located on the front of the engine. It's located right there. To remove the EGR valve, the EGR valve is held by two bolts. We need to remove two coolant hoses. This is one on top, electrical connector, coolant hose. We need to remove this exhaust pipe, two bolts here and two bolts down there, and also afterwards we need to remove the bolts holding the EGR valve to the engine. We start by removing this exhaust pipe. To remove the exhaust pipe, there is two bolts down there and two bolts on the EGR valve that we need to remove. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the exhaust pipe removed. Next we're going to disconnect the electrical connector. There is a tab on it that we need to push and then pull out the connector. Next we're going to remove the metal clamp holding the coolant hose and take out the coolant hose. There is another coolant hose on the bottom of the EGR valve, but we're going to remove it later on when we remove the EGR valve from its place. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the EGR valve. Once the bolts are removed, we're going to slide out the EGR valve, and the only thing left to remove is the coolant hose that's on the bottom of the EGR valve. That's the EGR valve out of its place. Now I'm going to show you a closer view of the other coolant hose. That's the other coolant hose right there that we need to remove. That's the coolant hose removed, and that's the EGR valve out. I'm not going to replace the EGR valve, I'm only going to clean it and then I'm going to put it back on. Now that the EGR valve is cleaned, now I'm going to put it back on the car. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. First we need to put the bottom coolant hose, put the clamp on, then we're going to slide the EGR valve into its place and put on the bolts and tighten them. Next we're going to put on this exhaust pipe and put on the 4 nuts and tighten them. At the end we're going to put on the electrical connector and that's the EGR valve replaced. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.